Hey guys, Jason Scudellari from CPP, and today I'm here to talk about our very new, very cool, all adjustable power steering flow valve. We can adjust from 0.25 to 3.5 gallons per minute. So let's get this thing installed. We'll talk a little more. All right, so we have a couple different type 2 pumps out here on the table with different setups. We'll go through that in a minute. Right now we're gonna install our valve into this pump, but first we gotta pull out the flow valve that's in there. You're probably saying, well, if it's already got a flow valve, why are you changing it? This one's got one setting. That's determined by the hole size that's in there. It's not adjustable. So back in the day when you wanted more resistance on the wheel or more assist, you would have to go buy different valves with different size holes in them. Not anymore. Ours has 10 clicks going from 0.25 all the way to 3.5 gallons per minute. Let's get this one installed. Also, as you're tightening this up, be sure you clock your AN in the right direction. So when you go hook up your power side of your power steering, it's in the right spot. And when I say that, let's bring this one over here. Here's one with a reservoir on there. This one's gonna clock out towards the passenger side of the car. Hose would go on there. As you can see, there's plenty of room for the hose and the pulley. Now let's get one that uses a remote reservoir. This one you can virtually spin any way you want as long as it doesn't interfere with the bracketry that's holding it to the engine. Once they're installed, super easy to adjust. So with this valve on the low setting, you can almost turn the power steering completely off because you're only running 0.25 gallons per minute. And then you turn it all the way up, you're all the way up 3.5 gallons per minute, which gives you a super comfortable wheel. Me, I kind of like it in the middle. I like a little resistance on there. I like to have to kind of tug on the wheel a little bit to turn, but that's all personal preference. So the valve that I just installed is actually one we're putting in production. They are gonna come in the black finish. These ones over here in the natural finish are just prototypes. So when you're ready to order your classic car or truck parts, make sure you either give us a call or visit classicandperform.com.